Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. On the bench today, we have the GW INSTEK LCR meter, model number 915. This meter was released to the market on June 20th, 2013. This meter has also been sold by several other companies. A company called Bennings. My goodness, escapes my mind right now. My mind just went blank. But anyway, the original maker of this multimeter is a company, here it goes again, called APA. I'm sure if you've been watching my videos, you've heard me mention that name or that company name several times before. APA, A-P-P-A. Anyway, nonetheless, this is a very good very good LCR meter. Those of you who love to do, who like to test components, circuit boards, this is a very nice portable component tester. Let me just read out some of the general specs on it, or features on it, and then we'll get back to hearing me talk for a few. Okay, you get a dual display at 20,000 and 20,000 counts, dual display. Let me turn it back on. Get test frequencies from 100 and 120 hertz and 1/10 kilohertz. You get auto LCR mode for DUT measuring, 0.2% basic accuracy, measurement perimeter, your LCR, DQ, and ESR. Parallel series testing mode, sorting mode for quality control, 2-wire or 4-wire measurement available, data hold and 0 mode supported, auto range and auto backlight, low battery indication, auto power off, data collection, or AC power operation. Now, you don't see it up here, but I do have it. I just didn't want to have everything all crowded around. There's an AC adapter. Also, you can use a USB cable and plug it in the side of your computer or whatever if you're downloading, and it still will power it up. Let me see what else. They have, give you some of the specs on it. Okay. You get capacitance range at 20 picofarads through 20 microfarads, depending on selected test frequencies. Best accuracy is plus 0.2% RDG plus 2 digits. Resolution is 0.001 picofarad dash 0.001 microfarad, depends on the selected range. And then resistance, you get 20 ohms to 200 mega ohms, depends on the selected frequency. Best accuracy is plus 0, plus 0.2% RDG plus 2 digits. Okay, and I'm gonna just skip over some of the stuff because there's a lot of features. Quality factor, range 0.000 through 999. Dissipation factor, range 0.000 through 999. Phase angle, range is, what is that, 90? Phase angle, 90 degrees to 90 degrees, is it? Accuracy is 0.2% RDG plus 5 digits. Resolution 0.1. Okay, and measurement circuit, parallel or series selectable. Auto LCR mode automatically identifies and measures the DUT when the meter is switched on. Sorting mode, we have too many things for me to mention here. Well, anyway, and it takes 5 volts to power it up when you're using the DC adapter, the AC adapter. Now, to make a long story short, this, like I said before, this is a very nice meter. Apple, they really do put out some quality stuff. Several meters on the market, test instruments on the market have been rebranded by Apple. Well, not by Apple, rebranded from Apple. Case in point, I just have a lot of them. I don't want to go into the names, but there's a lot of them. One of them is Amprobe, the Amprobe 54 NAV clamp meter. The Ideal Industries, I think that's a 61-497, I believe. I think that's it. Multimeter. They've been rebranded from Apple. RS Pro makes rebranded this multimeter, this test instrument as well. It's not a multimeter, but test instrument as well. All the accessories that you see here, you could buy for it. I have some more. I just have them on the side. I didn't want to make it crowded like this right here. And that's the sorting board right here on the end. Let me turn it. This right here. And these are like the tweezers right here. Also with a sorting adapter on the end. And these here are like the Kelvin clips with the sorting adapter on the end. And these are the short test leads right here that come with it also. The only thing what I do hate about this meter, I'm not gonna say hate, but I don't like about it, is that the light comes on, you have no control over the backlight. It has to be dark. In fact, I'm gonna show you. Let me just close some of the stuff in here. And sorry about that. Anyway, let me close some of the stuff here and show you what I'm talking about. Now, you see what I'm talking about. You have to be working in almost dark to, for the backlight to come on. And I don't like that. I have no control whatsoever. It's a real bright backlight, just like you see it here on the camera. That's how it is in person. It's a real, bright backlight, but, even though we get the job done, it's not always safe to be working in the dark. So whoever thought of this design to do that, and to allow it to pass, I don't know what they were thinking. But other than that, I don't have anything else to say about the meter. Nothing at all. I love it. Let me just get some light in here. Let me just get some light in here right now. But it's now I just opened the door. Now the light went off. It's a really nice meter. And my thing, if you were to see a meter like this, and the price is right, I don't hardly see the GW INSTEK version online. You have a better chance finding one made by one that's being sold under another name, same meter, online quicker than you'll be able to find the GW INSTEK. When I received this from Amazon, and years ago, and it hadn't failed me yet. I use it a lot on the bench. In fact, this is my own, and I have two LCR meters. This is my main one that I go to, and I like it. It always performed greatly. I have no issues with it whatsoever. So it has a lot of features. So I just read out some of them, but let me give you a closer look at the front of it. And okay. It is a nice, it's a beautiful meter, I'll tell you that much. A nice a large screen. Even the numeric font, the lettering inside on the screen, the bar graph is nice and large, it's clear. It's a nice meter. And there's some of the features, some of the accessories that you can add to it. overall, it's a very nice meter. So if you see this meter, like I said before, if you see it and you're looking for an LCR meter, this would be the one to buy. If you can deal with the fact that you have no control over the lighting, as far as operating the lighting, turning it on and turning it off, you got yourself a good meter. Yeah, you got yourself a very good meter. So that's that, guys. Thank you again for letting me take up your time or spending time here in the lab with me. If you want to support the channel, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell right next to the letter subscribe, the word subscribe, and leave a comment. Hit that share button, hit the like button, and help support the channel. Help the channel to grow if you like what I'm doing. And all of that is for free. In the meantime, you guys take care, and let's meet up again next time in the same place here while I do another video. See you later.